Greetings, my name is Chris Deering, and my primary role as CEO of TruPlans is to make sure our architectural and structural team members have the latest systems, tools, and resources, not just to draw your remodeling plans, but to make those plans come to life through visualization during the design process and through our construction support program while your contractor is actually doing the building. There's a few key differences that separate us from the herd of design build, remodeling architects and contractors. Number one is we do fast and accurate quotes. So for the planning process, after the home evaluation is complete, the proposal for doing the architectural and structural drawings is sent within 2 to 3 business days. For construction quotes, it does vary. The second thing that separates us is visualization. We are just obsessed with visualization. Most people have a hard time looking at a set of two-dimensional plans and visualizing what's actually going on and what it's going to look like. TruPlans, we just want to make sure you can see everything. So using 3D conceptual imagery is what we do all the time. It's standard and it's always included. The third thing that really separates us from everybody else is that we do what we call live, real-time 3D changes. This is editing right under your nose during the design meeting. In the traditional planning process, it's always been that the architect will draw your plans and your layout, and if the homeowner doesn't like something, the architect will take it back and perhaps a week later come back with the changes, and then repeat if they don't like that either. So that adds a lot of time to the whole process. We like to streamline the design process by making any real-time 3D changes right before your eyes. So that happens during the design meeting. As the CEO, I have a number of different hats that I must wear to make sure the company stays on course. But if there was one thing I could do all day long, nonstop, I'd never get tired of it, would be to just go to the home evaluation meetings and meet homeowners. I've been doing this for a long time, listening to their concerns, their home dreams, their ideas, answering questions, sharing design ideas. I get a lot of reward in speaking with homeowners and knowing that we're probably going to be knocking their socks off, which is why we get so many word-of-mouth referrals. Before 2004, when I did my first set of plans, before that I was a restaurant manager, mostly for Japanese-style specialty brands, and that's where I believe I inherited my quality service mentality, which is also why our proposals and contracts sort of resemble a restaurant menu, showing everything that we do and what's included with your meal. I know it may sound a little corny or cheesy, but it's true. I personally get a lot of reward meeting with the homeowners and getting them set up for success in their home remodeling projects. First of all, everyone that signs up with TruPlans gets a free 3D graphics portfolio of their new design with high-quality conceptual images and a design meeting showing those graphics in motion. What I want you to do right now is pick up your phone and call our office at 1-888-778-2737 during business hours, which is 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and talk to one of our friendly team members. Schedule a free home evaluation, and after hours, go to TruPlansRemodeling.com and fill out our quick contact form. It doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in Sacramento, San Francisco Bay Area, San Diego, or if you're right next door to our home office in the city of Orange, California. Give us a call and schedule a free home evaluation. Pick our brains. We take the mystery out of remodeling plans and the construction process. Oh, and in case you missed it, everybody that signs up with TruPlans receives a free 3D graphics portfolio of their new design. And in the design meeting, we show the 3D graphics in motion with real-time editing. This is standard. This is a standard inclusion with all projects. Our phone number is 1-888-778-2737. 2737. Or you can go to TruPlansRemodeling.com. That's TruPlans remodeling.com.